What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel. Knuckles TV, Knuckles coming at you. Today, man, we are out and about. We are running, today's New Year's Eve actually, and we're actually running to Seguin, Texas. We're gonna go to the Power Plant Texas Grill, which is an old power plant that they turned into a restaurant. So we're excited about to see that. We've got Isaiah with us over here, and then of course the brother-in-law and the sister-in-law, and then Mello behind the camera as always. Mello. There you go, Mello. So, but we're in Columbus right now. We had to stop, make a little pit stop. And then, so we're gonna head back out here in a minute, man, after we drink our Blue Bull, and then, and then we're gonna get back on the road. So I'll show you exactly what it looks like, man, and that way you can check it out. So we'll be back here in a little bit. See you.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head.
Well, we made it, kinfolk. Power Plant Texas Grill. Look at this, man. But that's not what we want to look at. Let me show you this stuff over here. This is legit. Look at this. Huh? That dope or what? So like I said, it's an old power plant they turned into a restaurant. So we're about to go inside and check it out, man. Look at the size of this tree though, too. Look at that. God damn. Damn, you almost covered it up, bro. But that tree, man, has got to be old as shit. So, all right, well, let's go inside and I'll show you what the food looks like. Chicken fried steak looks good though, man. What about yours, Gabriel? Is it? Look at that. Woo-wee. All right, folks, we done. We done. But we're about to go walk across the way over there and see what that's about. So let's go. We're gonna walk to the turbine room.
I guess this is where they have a party?
Yeah, this is where the party happens, in a turbine room.
I'm just trying to give you something spooky. I'll do it for you. I'm just trying to give you something. I'm just trying
So, look, honest opinion. My food was good. I enjoyed it.
My burger was good.
Burger was great. Gabriel had the pork sirloin. What? Pork loin. And that was really good.
And the rice wasn't good.
Rice wasn't good. Unfortunately, Letty had the barbecue, and that was not. This is not the place to come to for barbecue. Just saying. But
Or sodas.
or sodas. They didn't have sodas, man. Their fountain was out of order, so they didn't have any sodas. Which, you know, when you have a meal, you gotta have some kind of Coke. But and then Melo had the chicken sliders.
They were good. They were good. Don't try the homemade potato chips. They
Yeah.
nasty.
Yeah, the chips weren't all that either. They didn't have really any flavor to them, man. But the sliders were pretty good. They had good. The sauce on it was good.
Yeah, the
Like a
honey barbecue or something.
yeah, it was like a sweet and
At
a
least
little
I got
spicy.
pickles.
Huh?
At least I got pickles in my fridge.
Yeah.
I only got 2 pickles.
Yeah. So it was decent, man. I thought it was pretty good. Was it? I mean, will we come back? Probably not. So.
Not for a 3-hour ride, no.
But the view's amazing though. The view is really cool. The view is really cool. So, and the building's awesome. I love the old building, man. Love all the stuff inside of it. So that's legit.
I love the old.
So now we're just gonna go ahead and head on back, man. We're gonna head back and we're gonna call it a day, New Year's Eve. So we're gonna get together and hang out and then see what happens. So till next time, till next adventure. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out. See ya.